Check out this DEWALT power drill. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews, and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is a power drill that we use to start hanging some posters on our wall and some photos as well. Here is the power drill itself. It's pretty heavy if you hold it with just one hand. But if you use the drill just like this, you can start to have the drill start moving because it is battery powered. But if you go even more, it starts spinning even faster. So this is just a fantastic power drill to have. There's so many other drill options that you can use. You can use something like a longer drill, a smaller drill as well. You can use whatever you need to within this power drill. You just have to stick it in there, and that will be the drill that you have moving forward. So there is a battery charger that comes with it as well, and it's a great little power drill to have, and there's an extra battery that we got as well with this power drill too. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review.